Welcome to our online Zoom tutorial. So in this little video, I'll teach you how to set up your Zoom on your computer, then how to use the Zoom application. Now the end part, the application can be, those teachings can be used on the online version if you are unable to download the app. So with that, let's begin. So first up, what we want to do is go into our browser, and up the top there we want to type in Zoom app. So it's just simply Zoom app, and we press enter, and we'll go down to download for Windows Zoom. And we want to click on that, and it'll take us to this page. Now, depending on what system you're using, you want to click on the Apple for Mac computers or on the Google Play for Windows. Now, since we're using Windows, we're going to use that one. Now, down in the box, you'll see we have the option to run, save, or cancel this download. We want to save. So once that's done, we want to open the folder. Then we want to double click on the Zoom installer, and this box will come up, just downloading everything. This should take just a few minutes. Righty-o, and with that, the Zoom application will launch automatically. So we want to minimize the other windows. And there we go, we've got our Zoom app up and running. Now, depending on what you want to do, if you want to sign in or if you just want to attend the meeting. So what we do is, if you just want to attend the meeting without signing up or anything like that, just simple, just joining into a meeting, you want to click on the join a meeting. Now your host would have given you previously a meeting ID in an email or over the phone, so you just want to type that in, then your name in your name box there. Then you can also have the options to not connect to audio or video when you come onto that Zoom meeting. So once that's all done, you click join and you are taken to that page ready to go for the Zoom meeting. However, if you already have an account or you want to create an account, you click the sign in button here. Now you've got your sign up options here, or you can sign up for free there. If you already have an account, it's as simple as signing in your details. So once you've put in your details, it takes you to your desktop page for Zoom. Now, as I mentioned before, we've got the join option. So if you're not a host, if you're a participant, all you've got to do is click on the join, put in your ID, then you're ready to go. However, if you want to host a meeting, what you do is you go over to the orange button here, you press that, and it'll take you up to a window, and there is my face. Okie dokie. So this window will come up, and you want to press join with computer audio. So that's your inbuilt microphone. So as you can see down here in the little corner there, we have a microphone with the green audio bar coming up and down. So if you wanted to mute yourself, that's what you do, so the other participants can't hear you. So if you're in like a noisy room, quietens down the meeting. It's very much appreciated. You have to admit, if you want to unmute yourself, just simply click on that and the green bar shows that audio is coming through. If you wanted to not have your face up on the screen, you press the stop video button there, and you've got the audio but not the visual. If you want to bring your face back up, if you want to bring the video back up, you press video again, and there you are again. It's pretty simple. So down here in your taskbar, you have some options. So if you press participants, you can see who's online with you. If you wanted to mute the host for some reason, you've got that option as well. Then you've got the chat there. You can type in messages you want to send to the rest of the meeting. You can do that. You've also got the share screen feature, which allows you to share on your video feed to share what you've got on your screen as well. So that kind of helps with a lot of corporate meetings and things like that if you want to show someone a document, etc. Down here, you've also got the record function. So if you want to record the meeting for archival purposes or just wanted to record it, it's simple as just pressing that and you're all good to go. So up here on the right hand side, you've got the enter full screen mode. If you want the full screen, you've got that option there. And yeah, that's pretty much the functions of the meeting. So if the meeting's come to an end, all you've got to do is go down to the end button down here. If you're a host, you can end meeting for all, or if you're just a participant, you can leave the meeting. So that is pretty much the rundown of the Zoom application. Now, it's very similar if you're using the online version. All you've got to do is sign in or join a meeting on the online page for Zoom, and the features are pretty much the same. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask us or trust ye old Google. Type in your question and there is some support on the Zoom page as well as Google. Thank you for joining us on this little tutorial, and we hope that it helped you a lot with your Zoom using and meetings.